What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. Today we're in Lewis Center, Ohio at Schumacher Homes Columbus North location, and we're getting ready to check out a beautiful modern farmhouse. This one, it's got some dark and moody tones to it. So let me get you outside. I'll tell you all about it. All right, y'all, get a load of this beauty right here. I have toured tons of the Olivia floor plans with all of the different exterior packages, but I don't think I have ever toured the dark version of their modern farmhouse. And I'm in love with it. Oh my goodness. Anyway, like I said, this is the Olivia from Schumacher. And inside you're gonna find 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. It does have a 2-car garage right here on the front side of the home. But I absolutely love the cedar accent right here. I really think it pops off of this nice, dark, almost charcoaly gray board and batten siding. Now, all of this does sit inside of 2,786 square feet. And if you are interested in this home, you can expect, at least to start out, you're looking at about $476,000. But with that, let's get inside and see what all we can find. All right, here we go. And y'all, oh my goodness, it smells so good. I'm telling you, I'm gonna start like a home scent line that represents all of these like magnificent homes that we've toured, just kind of like drawn from like inspiration from all the homes. Oh man, because just I would love to be able to recreate some of these smells. This one's like a nice kind of orange, like spice. I don't know, like got a little like something delicious. It is amazing. But anyway, this is your entryway. Just as soon as you walk in, you got a little shiplapping up in the ceiling, couple little pennant lights, kind of farmhousey lights. And then just tons of space here in the foyer to do a number of things. And then just off of that is a coat closet and the powder room. Now, as we are walking through this home, let me know what you like, what you might want to change or rearrange if this home was to be yours. Would love to hear that stuff. And also do me a favor, take the time to hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. We do tour beautiful homes all across the country, and I wouldn't want you to miss out on any of that amazing inspiration. You know, maybe you're getting ready to build your own home and you're just looking for some things, right? Or maybe you're looking for a builder in your area. So, tons of reasons. But anyway, in the office on the opposite side of the foyer, again, you're just seeing some of that that farmhousey kind of those design elements, right, with the shiplap and stuff. Floating wood shelves, but you've got a nice big built-in along the back wall. You've got the windows looking out into your front yard. Now, this is a model center. You can come here. There's 2 different models. We're going to be hopping into both of them. But you can kind of peruse and just kind of see, get a feel, like a hands-on feel of the layout and stuff if you ever come up here. I love it. I love coming to like a model center. It's so much fun. And this one's laid out. You've got like this little, almost like enchanted pathway that comes through all the homes. But anyway, this is the master bedroom. So you've got the vaulted ceiling, exposed beam, nice oversized light fixture, and then of course you've got this tile accent wall and all of the windows. Oh my goodness. Now, I toured this home. This was probably one of the first Schumacher, this might be the first Schumacher home I ever toured. And I don't think it ever went up on the channel at all, period. And at that point in time, it was more like a traditional modern farmhouse, like with the black and white. And then they went and redid the front. Anyway, I thought it was neat. But this is the ensuite. So you've got a nice big soaking tub, little spa bath in between the 2 vanities. And then back behind us, you've got the standalone shower. And then there is a his and her closet. So this is the first of the two. And then you've got the water closet. And then this is the second of the two bedroom or closets. And then from here, we'll work our way out into the great room. So just absolutely beautiful, super tall ceilings. You've got the exposed trusses. I actually learned about that. So that's like a king's truss, just the shape of it, like in the inside of it. There's a whole bunch of different types of trusses. And I never knew the names of it. And I was actually touring a cabin recently, and they started telling me about all the different types of trusses and stuff like that. There's king's trusses, there's queen's trusses, there's, I don't know, there's a whole bunch of them. Anyway, beautiful, great room. You've got this magnificent fireplace shiplapping, again, going all the way up to the ceiling, so kind of keeping with that modern farmhouse theme. You've got a nice wood mantle, and then just massive windows letting in a whole bunch of light. And then I'll get into a couple different places so you can take it all in. You've got a beautiful staircase going up to the second floor. I love that dark wood color. I think that looks really good. And then from there, we'll dive into the kitchen. So a really fun island. It's got all the things happening on here. So you've got, of course, some seating. And then on this side, you've got the little mini fridge. And then some little drawers. And on this side, just tons of cabinets. Like, this island is just massive. Tons of counter space, especially if you're getting ready to start cooking. You've got the dishwasher, you've got an apron sink. And then this is your view of everywhere. And then you've got like a little coffee station and your refrigerator. Now, cabinets don't quite go all the way up to the ceiling. So if you want to do a little decorating up there, you definitely could do that. But then you also have your oven as well as the built-in microwave. And I guess, well, we'll come back to that stuff in just a minute. I don't want to get too discombobulated. But then along the back wall, you've got your gas range and your range hood. And then, again, even more counter space. And then beyond that, you come into the dining room. So you've got a sliding glass door. Again, model center, so you would have this built on your property. Put yourself like a back deck, a little patio, right? Going out into the garden, something like that. Sky's the limit, right? That's where your Pinterest board's going to come into play. But I love how just like grand feeling the table is. It's like you can fit a lot of people here. But anyway, on the opposite side of the kitchen, this is the mudroom. So you've got a hall tree with the bench and then some open shelving down on the bottom. This door right here leads out into the garage. I don't know if it's locked or not. It's not. How about that? All of the ones I've been touring today have been locked. But two stall. Just kind of perusing from here. That's about all I see. But again, Schumacher's custom, right? Maybe you need 3. You can work with them, design that. You know, it's another one of those builders that you can literally bring your own plans for. All these are for is just like inspiration, right? But anyway, then you've got washer dryer hookups with the laundry room / pantry just off of the mudroom. And then that wraps back around out into the great room. And then let's go ahead and dive downstairs into this basement. It is currently unfinished, but you could totally finish it off if that is something you wanted to do. And this just got a good bit of space. So you could put some more bedrooms down here if you needed some extra bedrooms. You could turn it into a game room, studio, you know, whatever you wanted to do. And I don't know what's behind this door or if we can even get into it. Nope. I'm sure it's just an extension. But yeah, the Olivia, this is, I don't know. The first time I ever toured one, I love the Olivia. I love the Charleston too. I just think like the original, like the Charleston. I've toured the Charleston 2 and the Charleston 3 as well, and I love them. But there's just like, for both the Olivia and the original Charleston, they just hold a little special place. But anyway, up here at the top of the stairs, you do have this kind of lofty area. Little spot to hang out. And it's got these great big cutouts. Looking back down into the great room, which I love that. It makes it nice, like you got to holler for the kids or something, come down for dinner, right? Just like the perfect family home. And then this is the first of the 2 bedrooms up here. And then into the ensuite. And I think this is a Jack and Jill. You got the single vanity and then this bedroom's closet with some attic access. And then you've got the water closet with the shower and tub and the toilet. And then passing through into the next little bathroom space. And then from there, it opens up into the second bedroom up here. Now, let me get you over here real quick. That's what I want to know. What does your dream home smell like? Right? If you walked into a home, what smell is going to be like, that smells like home right there? This one's pretty close. I don't know. Anyway, so mostly the dark and moody was on the exterior, but either way, let me know what you think about this home down in the comments. If you want any more information on this home or Schumacher Homes, you can find that information right down there in the description. With that, I hope you enjoyed the tour. I hope you go on to have a fantastic day. And as always, my name's Timothy. I look forward to seeing your beautiful face in the next one.